Hey guys, in this video, I will show you the Cash App green status requirements. All right, let's begin. Cash App recently updated its interface, placing the Cash App green status directly under your balance on the home screen. To unlock and maintain this status, you must meet one of two monthly requirements. You either need to receive $300 in qualifying paycheck deposits or spend a minimum of $500 using your Cash App card. Maintaining green status grants access to several valuable perks. You receive 5 custom weekly offers, providing significant discounts at retailers like Target. It also unlocks the highest savings interest rate, currently 3.5%, and provides higher limits for the Cash App Borrow feature in eligible states. Furthermore, you receive free overdraft coverage, free in-network ATM withdrawals, and free paper money deposits. You even get priority phone support for account issues. These rewards are highly beneficial if you use Cash App for your daily spending. Simply hit these monthly thresholds to keep your exclusive benefits active and ensure your money is working harder for you. So that's basically all about the Cash App green status requirements. That's it for this video. Thanks.